Hey y'all, Huey here with Crystal Tractor and Equipment to talk to you about our tiny but mighty Ocala location, the place I call home. Our Ocala store features 3 of the top brands that Crystal has to offer, and that's going to be our CFMoto lineup for our utility vehicles, side-by-sides, and four-wheelers, Mahindra for our tractors, and Takeuchi for our excavators and track loaders. When you come to the Ocala store, you're going to see we're a small lot, but we have a lot to offer. Like our CFMoto lineup, from our U10 Pros to our C-Force 400s. We have a full lineup stocked and ready to go, fully loaded from factory. CFMoto does not play around. They don't believe in having a whole bunch of additional add-ons that are common creature comforts. You get the winch, you get electronic power steering, you get LED headlights and taillights. They really care about the customer when it comes to the machine quality and when it comes to the price point. For our tractor brands, we have the Mahindra lineup. Mahindra is the tried and true official tractor of tough. You can lift more, push more, pull more, and do more with a Mahindra tractor than any other tractor in its horsepower range. They also have no DEF, no regen, and no diesel particulate system on any of their machines. That makes them run longer, cleaner, and harder than anybody else on the market. Best in class lift capacity, and one of the best warranties on the market. Then we're going to have our Takeuchi lineup. Takeuchi is world first to world leader. They think about everything out the gate. These machines are fantastic. They are great for seasoned operators, and they are fantastic for guys who are just starting in the field. Something as simple as having the fins faced upwards, so when you back into a brush pile or into rebar or anything like that, it's going to break it away and stop it from going through the radiator instead of just letting it slide right on through. They have fleet management systems. You can monitor your fleet, whether you're one machine, just making sure your stuff is safe, or you got 30 machines and you have guys running it all over the place. Saves you time, saves you money, and saves you a headache and a hassle. Come on by to Crystal Tractor Ocala. Get yours today. Get you one, son.